So the material required is charms. So these are the kundan charms, and it's really up to you that what design, color, style you need. So these are the oval shaped charms that I'm taking, but it's really up to you that what shape. You also can have a round shape or the square shape or any other design that you would like to say. And I'm taking, we are making it a multicolor necklace set, but it's totally up to you that what you want to uh, like a single color, only white, only pink, or anything, or a combination of two, white and red, or something like that. So it's totally up to you what do you want to take. Then we'll have these 3 pearls. So these are the pearls that these are the 3 pearls that we'll take. Then pearl l'oreals. Then we need this laria, which are the wires to attach the pearls to that charm, and we also need these zero size golden beads. You can also have log beads if you want to. Then jump ring to attach the set, necklace dori, then cutter and plier. So now we are going to attach these pearls and these l'oreals with the help of these wires to all of them, like all of the charms like this. So you can see this is a peacock design, and first we'll make the l'oreal. So I'm taking this laria, and then we'll add this one uh, golden bead in that. So I'll just remove it, and then we'll add a golden bead here, and then I'm going to add this pearl bead, and also we are going to add these l'oreals. So I'm going to add 3 l'oreals, but it's totally up to you that what do you want to add, how much you want to add. You can add 4, 5, 6 also. So you can see this is how it looks. So now we are going to add to this charm. So you can see this design can be kept like this also, and also if you from like this also, like this one are upper side and this is down, or this is that upper side and this is down. Also we can keep it like this in a straight way. It's totally up to you. But for this necklace set, I'll keep this kundan set down, and this one at top. So I will attach the necklace set to the down part. You can see there are sections that are given at the down side to attach the wire. So over here in the middle, I'm gonna just insert this wire, and just wrap it to the mid. So in this way we have attached it. So in the same way we have to attach it to the both the sides. So I'll quickly do that. So guys, you can see I have attached this necklace and the pearls to the downside of this. So one is in the middle and two are the sideways. So this is how it looks. So in the same way we have to attach it to all. So I have already did for all of them. So let's bring them quickly. 1, 2. So as I have told you earlier that we are going to make a multicolored necklace set. So this is how I am making it. I'm making them. We will attach them in a round way like this. So this is how our necklace will look like after attachment. So now I'm taking these jump rings, and we'll take one jump ring and let's attach these last two. So this is the charm now I'll insert my jump ring from this end over here last, and again I'll take this another one and we'll insert this jump ring to the last side of this like this, and with the help of plier I'm going to just pinch it this jump ring to the mid over here. So I have pinched it, and this is how we have attached these two all together. So you can see we have attached it, and this is how it will look from the front. So in this way I'm going to add all of them, so I'll quickly do and we'll come back to you. So guys, I have attached this all the these charms in this colorful sequence, and you can see this is how it looks, and this is the back side you can see. And now we are going to attach this necklace dori with the help of this jump ring. So I'm taking this one jump ring and will open it with my bare hands, and you can see there is one more jump ring that I have added earlier, so I'll just simply insert that one over here in this, and we'll take this one, and you can see there is a section over here, so I have to add it in the mid, so I'll add it over here with the last end like this, and just will wrap it. And now with the help of plier I'm going to close this jump ring, and you have to make sure that you have to close it very tightly because the whole necklace is dependent on the strength of this. So, and if you want you can also add 2 jump rings or more. So I added this jump ring over here, and this is how it looks. In the same way I'm going to add a jump ring to this side, so I'll quickly add it and we'll come. So I'll quickly add it. So I have added this necklace dori, and with this beautiful necklace is ready. Now let's see the earrings. So for the earrings I have taken this another charms which I haven't included here, and rather than adding pearls to this last end over here I have added to this side in the same way, and I just added one. If you want more you can add 2 3, and also if you want to add to the this side you can also add that one. And to stick this part, what I have done is I have gone to hardware store and I've asked give me the glue which will help me to stick oxidized jewelry, and so he gave me this, so you can take the screenshot. Also you can go to your hardware shop and ask him to give a glue to stick the jewelry, and he'll give you whatever whichever is available. And so with help of that I have stick this, and you can see it is so strong that it's not moving also. So just little glue has came over here that I'll remove it later, but this is how it will work. So with this these beautiful and pretty earrings are ready. Ta-da!